I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Avery 5144 labels. So this is your standard name tag label that you would use for a group meeting. And I like that in this package you get 100 labels, so it's quite a few. If you're holding in-person groups and you want to know who people are, it's easy to use these. And you could use a generic brand, but I like the fact that with Avery, you know that you're getting a product that's going to stick really well. And it's probably not going to damage fabrics. Obviously, you don't want to leave the labels on for a long time or run them through the washing machine, but because you're getting a really high quality label with a brand like Avery, you know it's going to stick well, and it's also going to come off without the higher risk of damage with other kinds of brands. These work in a laser printer or an inkjet printer, so that's really helpful too. Anything you're using to print these out, or you can do the sort of traditional approach that you can see modeled on the package here. Just give people a Sharpie and have them write their own name tag or write name tags for the people in your group. Again, it is removable, and that's something that I think Avery does well. And I like that it has the nice blue border around it, so it adds a little bit of visual interest to something that's otherwise a pretty straightforward product. This is Avery code 5144, and I love these for different kinds of in-person group meetings.